today in Panjim in front of the Government of India Tourism Department to protest about the escort services websites which we had found and complained about, have been complaining about for the last whole month. We have written to the SPs of North and South Goa, we have written to the collectors of North and South Goa, we have written to colleges, we have written to the Goa University, where these escort websites are actually promoting. They are saying that the girls from all the colleges and Goa University are available for sex. We had also written to the rector of Basilica of Bom Jesus because they are also offering girls from the Basilica of Bom Jesus. Now we had written to the Department of Tourism also, and we are also saying that shack owners and hotel owners should take a very strong stand that we are for family tourism. We do not want sex tourism in Goa. And these websites are also saying that housewives are available. So we are very concerned and very upset and distressed that maybe in a few years we won't be able to walk the streets of Goa because everyone will think that anyone who's walking the streets of Goa will be available for sex. So today we are giving a memorandum to the Government of India Tourism Department that they should also take a stand on this issue. I don't want to say the website online. When I started writing, I had only found 2 websites, but since then doing searches, I have found many websites, you know. And also we have found websites such as like on YouTube, where in the other states of India, they are showing, you know, like what you call it, a boxing ring, and girls inside, you know, taking their clothes off and things. So we think these YouTube videos also are encouraging this kind of behavior, and people think that when they come to Goa, everyone in Goa is available for sex. So this is a very wrong message that is being sent to the domestic tourists especially.